everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mrunal, a mental health practitioner from India, and today we are going to do something really fun. Today I'm going to show you how AI helped me make my vision board. Sit back, relax, and let's jump right into it. So, last month, I came across this reel where this girl was talking about how she used AI to help create her vision board. I was intrigued and I looked into it right away and I started making my vision board right there and then. Before actually making the actual vision board or figuring out what pictures I should put on the vision board, I made these lists. I don't know if I can see it clearly. These are basically different goals that I have for next year. These are different categories. So I have career, I have health, I have relationships, I have travel. There are a lot of things that they are there on this list, right? So first, I made sure that I knew exactly what I want to achieve next year. For that, I sort of used the method that I described in my previous video. So, if you're interested, then please do go check it out. So, I took inspiration from the lists that I created and I looked into Pinterest. So, like everybody else, the first medium that I chose was Pinterest. But then this was before I saw that reel that girl made with the help of AI. So before that, I had created sort of a vision board, uh, mood board on Pinterest. And then I was like, this is great, whatever I've done. It was amazing. But then I saw that reel and then I was like, I have to do this. So now, as you can see on my screen, I first went to ChatGPT. I did not use Gemini. You can use Gemini, but I used ChatGPT and I gave very specific prompts plus all of my pictures that could help create this image, right? So, for example, I gave it specific instructions of like health related stuff, right? So, I wanted to create an image where I'm working out, where I'm doing yoga, meditation, and it created that image for me. I was quite intrigued that how familiar and not familiar it looked at the same time. It was quite fun to see or imagine myself in that photo doing all of those activities. Likewise, I made it for pretty much everything that I wanted, the travel, where I wanted to work, how I wanted to work. There's this even funny image of like me with money. It made me laugh. But I then took all of these photos and then put it in my doc, Google Doc. I had an entire doc specifically created for this. I put all of those images on there so as to see what all I actually want to put on my vision board. After that, I went through the entire doc, sorted it out a little bit more, and chose all the images that I wanted to put in my vision board. Then, sort of downloaded them or uploaded them directly to Canva. And once I did that, I started putting it all together on my board, vision board in Canva, so that I can see exactly which image can go where so that I can physically then make it later, right? So, this entire process of giving AI the prompts and getting those images plus making that doc and then actually making the vision board, I'm not kidding, it literally took me less than 2 hours because I already had these lists prepared for myself. I would highly encourage you to actually try this out yourself as well. It's really fun when you actually see yourself in that image, even though it's not like exactly you, it's a replica of you. But when you see yourself in that position, I felt really motivated to actually achieve these goals pretty much right away. That is a stretch, right away is a stretch. But when you look at it yourself, when you look at yourself in that image, you just, I don't know, it's something different. And I'm really glad that I actually watched that reel and made it myself. So yes, I highly encourage you to do that as well. And it takes not that long if you know exactly what you want to put in that vision board. The prompts are really, you have to keep it really simple. They give you images pretty much immediately. Download them, upload them to Canva, and figure out what you can do with them going forward. This is sort of what I ended up with. I'm pretty sure I've shown you on the computer, but it's fun when I see myself like this and I'm like, okay, cool, I'm going to be this psychologist. It's silly, I know, but I love how much it actually motivates me to achieve all of this in this year. I mean, next year. So I'm going to take this and be extra and put it on this canvas, stick it on here, and then put it somewhere in my room as a reminder for me to achieve all of these goals next year. This is it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed this teeny tiny video where I'm sharing something that I have done for the first time. I also want to invite you to do this. It's actually really fun and it really helps you reflect on your previous year and help you set goals for your next year. So, yes, I hope you do it yourself as well, and I'll see you the next time I put out a video. Bye bye.